Alright, so in this exercise, we're going to work with component groups. So I'm going to show you how to create a group, how to copy, and how to modify our component group. Okay, so as you can see here on my floor plan, so I have this furniture, right? So this furniture here. Okay, so instead of copying this one by one or using window selection and then copying it, so I'm going to create first a group. Okay, so I'm going to make it as a single entity. So to do that, so I'm going to select all of this furniture. Okay, and then after that, here on my create panel, you can see the create group. Okay, so the shortcut is GP. So I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to call this typical office layout. Okay, and then I'm going to select here. Okay, so once you do that, so it's now a single object or single entity. Now you see that origin. I'm going to drag that to my upper left here. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to copy this. Okay, so I'm going to copy that on my third room and then my fifth room. Okay, so I'm going to select that, and then let's copy it. Okay, so make sure multiple is selected. So I'm going to pick the base point here. So I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to click there. Okay, and then just select here modify. So in 3D view, this is now how it looks like. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mirror my objects. Okay, so I'm going to select this and then hold control, select this one as well. Okay, and then I'm going to use the mirror tool. So I'm going to select that mirror, and then I'm going to pick here as my base point. There you go. So it's now mirrored. And then after that, I'm going to select here, modify. Okay, so now as you can see here, I don't have a door. So instead of placing the door here one by one, so you can see here in my first room, so there's already a door here. So I'm going to include this door to my group. So I'm going to modify my group here. So I'm going to select this group, and then I'm going to select here edit group. So you click that, and then you now on the edit group dialog box or tool. Okay, so you have an option here if you want to add an element to the group, remove element from the group, or attach detail group. So for this one, I want to add this door. So I'm going to select add, and then I'm going to select that door. Okay, and it's now added. And then I'm going to select here finish. So once you do that, you can see that the other groups are updated as well. Okay, so that's the power of grouping. Okay, so now for the last part of the exercise, I want to copy all of these elements to my level 2 here. Okay, so to do that, you just need to simply select your group, hold control, and then click the rest of the groups. And then after that, there's an option here, copy to clipboard. So you click copy to clipboard, and then click the paste drop down. And then you just need to select your align to selected levels. So you just need to click that, and then you just need to select where you want to copy it. Oh, I want to copy that on level 2. So I just need to select here OK. And that's it. So if I go to my level 2, it's now there. You see? Very simple. So if I turn off the section box here, as you can see, there's now my copied elements. Okay, so that's it for this simple exercise about grouping. Hopefully you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.